Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by changing the lighting and doing a systematic visual sweep. Dim the room, because infrared LED rings and glass lenses reflect differently in low light. Once done, use a flashlight held at a shallow angle and sweep slowly across walls, ceilings, vents, clocks, and smoke detectors. That side glint is often a lens. Make sure to check small objects and decor at eye level and above, moving deliberately so you don't miss tiny reflective surfaces. Next, use simple tools to confirm suspicions. Point your smartphone camera at suspicious spots and toggle between lenses. Infrared LEDs will appear as bright dots on many cameras. Then sweep the room with an RF detector or run a Wi-Fi network scanner to find unknown devices and open streams. If a device looks suspicious, gently inspect it. Remove covers if safe. Look for lenses, wiring, batteries, or micro SD slots. These steps help differentiate harmless objects from active surveillance gear. To finish, confirm and document what you found. Photograph each suspect device and note MAC or IP addresses when possible, because that evidence matters. Then test. Gently cover a lens or interrupt power to see if a feed stops. This verifies an active camera. If you can't find anything but still suspect surveillance, recheck blind spots, inspect mirrors and smoke detectors again, and use a higher sensitivity RF or thermal detector. If problems persist, consider a professional sweep for hidden or wired systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.